Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure split screen is available on your Vivo S1 Pro. This feature typically needs Android 9 or later. Once done, open Settings, go to Display and enable multi-window or the gesture navigation option if it's off. Next, open the app you want on top and tap the Recent Apps button. This begins the split process. Make sure the app is compatible because some video or banking apps block split view. Now position the top app so you can, once you've initiated split screen, tap the app icon in Recent and choose Split Screen to lock that app to the top pane. Then pick the second app from Recent or Home and it will fill the bottom pane automatically. You can drag the central divider up or down to change space allocation. Do this slowly so the UI redraws cleanly. If you rotate the phone, the system will reflow content, so make sure both apps support the new orientation. Use gestures to switch apps quickly if you prefer hands-on navigation. To finish, drag the middle divider to the top or bottom to return a single app to full screen, or swipe an app from Recent to close it. You can still use the keyboard, take screenshots, or start screen recording while in split view. Make sure permissions are granted. If something goes wrong, say the second app won't appear, try restarting the phone, updating the apps, or clearing the problematic apps cache. If split screen still fails, toggle multi-window off and on to reset the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.